Okay, this is Bruta, and we don't know exactly what breed he is. He's a mixed breed. He's a film star as well, like there's a lot of dogs here. We're going to be in an upcoming film. A very famous one, aren't you? Well done. And the same here, just start with the one hand comforting underneath the chin. It's also doing some massaging as well, which of course that's comforting. But there usually isn't any tension underneath. But start off like that. And at the same time work at the back of the ears around the nuchal ligament. Make your way down, all the way down to the shoulders there. And make your way around the shoulder blade. And most of the trigger points will be low down on the junction with the shoulder blade, or there could even be some tension in there with it holding tight. And you can get some right up the top there as well underneath the ear. So work all the way down around the ear, shoulders there. And make your way around the shoulder blade. And most of the trigger points will be low down on the junction with the shoulder blade, or there could even be some tension in there with it holding tight. And you can get some right up the top there as well underneath the ear. So work all the way down around the ear. Then swap hands underneath when you're doing the other side. So the right hand is comforting and controlling. And the left one is checking down the muscle on that junction with the shoulder blade. And then we can check underneath the shoulders there, in between the legs, where the transverse pec is. And then up along the back, you can feel the back edge of the shoulder blade there. And it can be 2 or 3 little tiny tension spots or trigger points behind there. And if there is, you'll get a reaction from the dog. So now I'm going to do this side. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm just going to check for the dog's sake. Exactly the same as I was doing on the front. And then check in underneath. So I don't want to be dominating the dog by jumping over top of it. So I want to be kind of like on the same level. I'm just checking underneath the shoulder there. Lovely and soft. Well done. You're getting a bit restless. So now I'm going to check your back legs, okay? Yeah, lovely and soft, aren't they? So we're lovely and soft at the back here. And let me just see if you'll do a little bit of a... Let's see if you can do a little bit of a stretch for me, okay? Can you stretch it? Will you stretch all the way? Nice stretch, well done. The back. And then we'll do the same this side. Can you stretch it? Will it go all the way? Yeah, no pain so much. Good. Checking all the way down on the inside on the gracilis and the adductors. And then we want to be working on the semitendinosus and semimembranosus on the back there. And then if you find any tension, work in that area. Maybe you can do like 20 seconds of pressure on there and give a dog a little bit of a break, and then do that 3 times. And you can do it just with a pressure, or you can do it with a circular motion, or you can do it with your fingers like on a massage motion, circular around. Well done. Good, thank you.